What are you doing here? You're obviously not one of the sexy girls I invited here. Who invited you to my house? Why are you here?
I am pregnant. I'm carrying your baby.
Okay. That's hilarious. I see. You carry my baby. That's the joke of the century. You carry my baby. Will you get out of here? Before I disfigure your face and your face as well. Get out of my house, you slimy bitch. Oh, you came to blackmail me, right? This is a blackmail?
It's not blackmail. You raped me and you're calling me a bitch.
Raped or not raped, you are a bitch. Get out of my house.
I am not a bitch. I'm not a slut.
You're nothing but a cheap slut. That's what you are. Hey, am I the only guy you've ever slept with? Am I? Will you get out of my house?
I am so happy to hear this. Now you listen to me.
What's your...
When I call, you will answer. And when I clap for you, you will dance. This is Abuja. This is my town. And I know how to give it people like you. You fool.
Who is this? Look, enough of this Abuja joke, okay? Both of you get out of my house before I delete you and that belly of yours off the face of this earth. Okay? Don't you know what your friends do? Go and ask. Go and ask what they do. Get out. Look, please close the door behind you, right? Close the door behind you.
What more than we think? It's painful, especially when you are hurt by the ones you loved the most. From all you have said here, your husband loves you very much. And I know he will do everything to make you happy. So stay for him.
I don't want him. I don't want to see him. I don't want to talk to him. That's the reason I blocked him. He can go ahead and marry the mom. I'm done. Father, I'm done.
I understand you perfectly. I understand the pains we are going through. But your husband did not hurt you anywhere. So don't punish him because of what his mother did to you. He loves you and you love him so much. You even gave him where he's working now. He is working because of you. You are even carrying his child. So what are you thinking?
Father, you don't understand. You don't understand. My mother-in-law, she doesn't love me. Father, I've done everything I can for her to love me. Yet, it isn't working. Right now, I don't even know if my husband is on my side or the side of the mom. Father, what have I done to deserve all of this? She doesn't like me and you're telling me to go back to that same house. My mother-in-law doesn't want to see me. Father, I can't.
Nena, there's nothing God cannot do. Now, listen to me very well. I will tell you a story. Just wipe your tears. Our late king and his children faced a terrible situation. His Royal Highness, he was blessed with 2 beautiful daughters and a son. But can I shock you? life started messing him up exactly when he was about to reap from the fruit of his labor.
Your recklessness is becoming alarming. We kept getting bad reports about you. We're so disappointed. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? What is wrong with you?
Mommy, I've not done anything really. What's feeding you all these lies against me? I've never seen club in boxing or anything before. He slapped me before my friends. Oh, shut your mouth.
Those your dirty friends that have eaten you up and kept deceiving you? Eh? We are disappointed in you. And let me tell you, if anything should happen to your father, you
can give my keys. You can give me my keys right now.
I got the car keys.
Give my keys!
But if you do end up facilitating, then I will.
You can't do nothing, just give my keys!
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Your father is upstairs. He refused to see you because of your reckless attitude. And you're here barking like a dog. Is there anything wrong with you? Is there anything wrong with you?
Why are you all hating on me? I've not done anything wrong. Have you ever seen me drink or smoked? What have I done wrong? Have you seen me do anything wrong before? You know what? I'm out of here. You will never see me again. You will never see this place again. I'm out.
Come on, leave her. Mom, listen. Leave her alone. Her account is frozen. And very soon, she's going to come back here because she's out of cash looking for money to do her dirty doings, her smoking, her going to the clubs and all that. So leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Kim, are you sure of these allegations?
Come on.
Let's be sure.
Come on, Mom.
In fact, you might be a stubborn person. But I've not seen her to be a useless person.
Listen, Mom. You and I and everybody in the palace, including the guards and the maidens, know that she is off the hook.
Let's be sure of this allegation. That's all. Because some allegation might not be true.
Whatever, Mom. That's fine. Okay?
Everything there for this one, good and bad today. Make it pick your choice, make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this one, good and
bad. What gave you the right to slap my sister? You even locked up her apartment. Where do you want her to go? You even froze her account. Who gave you such rights?
Well, listen, you. If you go on further, I'll end up slapping you twice what I did to
her. You dare not. If you try that one at this palace. Look at this one. And Mom, you even supporting him.
It's not that I'm supporting him. That is exactly what we are saying before you came in.
Father is here.
If Ikem does not foretell his excesses, how could he lock up my sister's apartment and even froze her account for that matter?
Eventually, you see, there's an adage in my place that you don't open the stomach of the tiger or the lion in public. No, you're bringing the wrong person. And now you want me to open the stomach of the tiger, I will do so. I froze the account because your sister was bringing disgrace to this kingdom. And I won't watch the name, good name I made over the years to be thrown into the winds, to the gutters. No.
Now, Father, she's gone. And she has vowed not to step her foot in this palace again. Oh yes. Since you prefer outsiders' gossip to your daughter's happiness.
You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. How dare you? How dare you? Don't think because the river is quiet that there are no crocodiles. No. Don't push me to do something that you will not like me to do. Now get out of here.
Ifato! Ifenkiri!
No, that's fine. Come on, Mom. It's not your fault. It's not. And I let it be. And then you say, why should you say that? You don't have that right. You want to speak. You don't. Sorry. I think you are pushing me. Ikemefuna.
Yes, Father.
Ikemefuna.
Yes, Father.
If you live near the river bank, you must learn to avoid the crocodiles. If you are married to a fisherman and he lives near the river, you will learn to eat late food. These are the words of our people. You see these twins? They are your blood. You are my only son. They will offend you. But an elder closes one eye, not two. Learn to close one eye. Learn to tolerate them. You see, when you offend one, you offended the other. No matter how much you see them forever, they will make up.
But they can be saucy sometimes, Father.
That's the more reason you go and wear a jacket called Ndidi. Patience. You need it. Would you like somebody to beat them up and you watch? That's the same thing. They will not watch somebody insult you. Please, learn to tolerate them. Ike mma gadele mma.
Say.
Ima mukwu anyale.
You say.
Ị ga no ezigbo nwunye.
You say.
Ọ gadele mma no eke.
You say, Father.
Dele mma no oye.
You say, Father.
Dele mma na afọ.
You say.
Dele mma na ngwo.
Thank you, Father.
Obi Obi Ekene gị. His Royal Majesty Obi Ọfọnịcha Igbo ekene ọnụ. Ọkwa dịka iji du ebube na wada. Obido mmehie. Ọchanja niile, otukwa niile, obiweka niile, fege aka ha dị n'elu. Ọ sị na ọgba afụsị niile nwanne m, o jadịrị gị na mma. Ya dị nwetere na mgbọgbọ dị Israel awa abandon property. Ewekwa efu osi bụ onye mbe.
The worst thing that can happen to us is if my sister does not honor our birthday and refuses to show up for my wedding. I will never forgive her.
Thank you. Your sister promised that she will come back. Even when your father threatened to disown her if she does not come back. You know how your father anger is. But I just pray that she will come back. Is he coming?
Who, Mom?
Ezoba. Is he coming?
Yes, of course. He's coming. Really? And he wouldn't want to disappoint us. Not now that Dad is waiting to see him. He called 40 minutes ago. So I believe he should be on his way.
From the first day your father set his eyes on him, he fell in love so much.
Sorry, Mother. It's ready. Okay, I'll be with you shortly.
From the first day your father set his eyes on him, he loves you from his heart.
Mom, who wouldn't love Ezoba? He is a man with a heart of gold.
My daughter, the beauty of a woman is her submission to her husband. Yes, be conscious of that anytime, any day. You don't have to copy Oyibo. Whatever he does, even when he's wrong, do not correct him in a public. You can talk to him later. Yes.
Mom, you want to turn me into a slave?
No, because I don't want you to copy Oyibo's style. Yes.
Hold on, Mom. They say respect is reciprocal. So if my husband wants respect, he should earn it. Oh yes, I believe in equal rights.
Oh, barrister, thank you.
Ma,
be conscious of your what? Be conscious of your husband.
Good day, ladies. Mother, I think your special one is here.
Really?
Oh yes, and Mom.
Oh wait, I hope you are not trying to pull my leg.
Not at all.
For real? Let me see him.
And Mom.
Dad wants to see me.
Mm-hmm.
I hope all is well.
Absolutely not. Right up to you. Right after you.
Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. No betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. No betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this world. Good and bad day. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this world. Good and bad day. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. No betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. No betray. Consequence there.
Welcome.
I'm here because of you.
Oh yeah?
I got you a present
Wow.
for you and your twin. I hope she's here.
Oh, not yet. But I just hope she honors us. Well, thanks for the gift.
Welcome.
Mom and Dad are inside. They're expecting you.
Okay.
Great. And the dining is set. We even made your special.
Wow. For real?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm excited to be here today.
Yes.
Everything goes well.
They can't wait to see you.
Oh, I see. So, Ezoba, my sister said you were into real estate and oil and gas. Is that true?
Absolutely. Very correct. It's as if I was ahead of my mates. I had a vision that one day real estate would be the thing. And JCT partnered with us. And in a matter of months, we had made so much money. We were rolling in millions. Real estate was like a whirlwind. It was all over the place. massive.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Hello.
God is
Is that
lovely.
How are you?
You're glowing.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you? How about
You
you?
must be Ezoba.
Yes, ma. I am.
Wow. Our prospective in-law. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're so handsome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your Highness, where is Lolo and the princess?
That they are in the other room trying to catch up with themselves. You know it's been a while, yeah?
Oh, okay, interesting. I have to go meet them.
Okay, absolutely.
All right. Then.
Ezoba.
Your Highness.
I was in Abuja some years back. In fact, Area 1, Warimpa, Asokoro was our catchment area then. Up to now, we have a lot of properties there, but I decided to invest there in the East because years ago, a lot of our people lost their investments outside our area because of abandoned property. And I don't want to be beaten twice. One beaten, twice shy. So I came home to invest there. And it's very, very healthy and safe. You know? Akuleuno. Omaloni Butelia.
That's right.
And that's why I want you to think the same. Think the same way.
Yes, Your Majesty. Thank you very much. I'm actually working on it. That's precisely what I'm doing. That is why I shuttle between Owerri and Enugu. Because I want to be close to my father's throne. At the same time, make sure I invest in my hometown.
Fantastic. You didn't give him anything?
Oh, that's Your Highness. Okay, fine. I'll tell the maidens to get him something to drink. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You know, life can be funny at times. You know, I never knew in my life that one day the gods of our ancestors will walk and bring me back home to the yearnings of our people. You see, nature and destiny, they walk hand in hand. I never knew that one day I would be the hero of this great kingdom. I was a very successful businessman, flying from one country to another. And when nature came calling that I must fulfill the destiny and the yearnings of our people, I have no alternative than to bow.
Right.
But father, it took the grace of God to actually slow you down. You know, and then mom, who is always locking the doors and hiding the keys so you can have enough rest. Anyways, that's by the way. Let's talk about Ezoba here. You said you went to my sister because you love her, you're crazy over heels with her, or something. Do you want to get married to her or something?
Well, for me, when I proposed, I told her I don't just want to be a son-in-law. I wanted to be more than that. More like a son of consolation, if there's anything like that. You know, where when her name is mentioned, everybody around will smile because she's my joy, my life, my world, my everything.
That's my sister.
Prince Austin Ezoba Onyede, CEO Empire Housing, in my father's house?
Right, that's me. The youngest CEO that got a multi-billionaire housing contract here in Nigeria, ever. And I'm not only in your father's palace, I'm here to engage my one and only true love.
Please, just get up and leave this place this minute. Just get up and delete your useless self from this palace! What?
Honey, what's going on? Do you know my sister? Have you met her before?
No, I don't freaking know her. Do you know me? No, I don't know. I've never met her before.
You don't know me? No, I don't. You don't freaking know me!
No, I don't freaking know.
I say you don't know me? Oh, really? Sis, is this supposed to be your husband?
As a matter of fact and reasoning, Yes, he is my fiancé. And what is wrong with you?
I am sorry, sis, but you can never marry this man. This man can never get married to you. He is a monster. He is a beast.
Are you jealous of me or what?
I have no reason to be jealous of you. You don't know this man too well. Please just get up and leave this place. You just
He's not going anywhere. What is going on here?
Yes, he's going nowhere. Dad, Mom, why are you both quiet? Why is she embarrassing my fiance like that?
Yeah? Hey! In fact, is something wrong with your brain? Are you nuts? You don't have any respect for me? Not only that I'm your father, I'm the ego of this kingdom. I have the effrontery to ask my visitor to leave. Mba, something is wrong with you. Deadly something is wrong with you. Don't let me lay a curse on you. You left Abuja to come here after 5 years to come and cause disunity in this family. No, not here. Not here.
Father, shut your mouth up! Shut it! What is the problem with both of you? Eh? Your father gave you the best life and education. And what do you pay in return? Disunity. What is your problem?
I am sorry, mother.
I said shut
you! My dead body will be my sister. This is not possible. He can never marry my sister. I'm going to kill you. You can never marry my sister. You are a beast. You are a monster.
Your Majesty, I am so embarrassed at this. Forgive me. And I will ask to leave your presence. I don't want any trouble.
You can't go, Sonny. You can't go. This is my father's palace. She has no right to throw you out.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, you can't leave. Dad, I see what that's cost. Honey, please come back.
I'm fine. I'm sorry about the scenario. Okay, I'm going to call him back. I should go call the young man back. Okay. Yay!
Barbara,
It's obvious your sister doesn't like you. Alright? And I'm not going to take that. I'm just too big for this local insult.
Honey, please. I'm sorry for everything that happened. Okay? I've never seen my sister like that before.
Well, then maybe you should check her madness. Don't I make you happy? I always do. When you came to my end and I introduced you to my parents, did anybody embarrass you? No. Did you feel welcomed? Yes. So why am I being treated this way? Why are you people embarrassing me? I can't take this anymore.
Honey, please.
Wait. I'm very, very sorry about how you feel. I actually know how you feel right now. And you have every right to your actions. But I want you to know that my family and I, we are sorry. We are very sorry. And then again, they want to speak to you.
No, I think you should check your sister. Perhaps she's on drugs.
No, don't talk like that, please.
If she's not on drugs, what else could it be? In it madness? Excuse me. Well, check her.
Okay, come and answer my father first. Please.
Look, I'm only doing this because you.
I'm very sorry. Because I never seen her like this in my life. I'm still a strange to you. I don't know if you can allow me to ask her to sit close and talk. In fact, tell us who is her name.
father, I am sorry the way I acted you. But us in here, it will never be finished. But after all you did to me, you are here in my father's house and I my younger sister. It will never work. You see, life is mystery. What goes around comes back around. If you're still around, it hangs around because the small is around. Your marriage to my sister can never work. It will never ever work. What won't work? What won't work?
Are you jealous of me? Because I'm getting married before you.
Sis, I have no reason to be jealous of you. You can go ahead and marry every other man, but you see this monster here, he can never marry you. Never! It will never work! He's a rape. But after all you did to me, this man right here got me pregnant. He raped me. What? He molested me, got me pregnant, embarrassed me and abandoned me. And you're here to marry my sister. Or said it will never be well with you. Good.
Let me call you back. Yeah, I'll call you back. What are you doing here? You're obviously not one of the sexy girls I invited here. Who invited you to my house? Why are you here?
I am pregnant. I'm carrying your baby.
Okay. That's hilarious. I see. You carry my baby. That's the joke of the century. You carry my baby. Will you get out of here? Before I disfigure your face and your face as well. Get out of my house, you slimy bitch. Oh, you came to blackmail me, right? This is a blackmail?
It's not blackmail. You raped me and you're calling me a bitch.
Raped or not raped, you are a bitch. Get out of my house.
I am not a bitch. I'm not a slut.
You're nothing but a cheap slut. That's what you are. Hey, am I the only guy you've ever slept with? Am I? Will you get out of my house?
I am so happy to hear this. Now you listen to me.
What's your...
When I call, you will answer. And when I clap for you, you will dance. This is Abuja. This is my town. And I know how to deal with people like you. You fool.
Who is this? Look, enough of this Abuja joke, okay? Both of you get out of my house before I delete you and that belly of yours off the face of this earth. Okay? Don't you know what your friends do? Go and ask. Go and ask what they do. Get out. Look, please close the door behind you, right? Close the door behind you.
You will rust in you.
But I warned you about the T-Holes. This bastard in there. But you didn't listen to me. Just imagine the insult and humiliation you have gotten yourself into. Please, just take out this child, please. You just have to abort this child.
I can't.
Why?
I can't because I'm royalty.
Meaning?
The moment I think of doing it, that's no I can't.
Oh, cool. But babe, you're going to be in big trouble if you don't abort this child. Please.
I'm just tired of you rotting here.
Babe, you have to do this. Because that bastard in there, that fool, is not ready to take any fatherly duty.
If I do it, I will die. Don't you get it?
But babe, this is the only solution. You won't die. Do you know what? Just calm down, please. Stop crying. I'll take care of this, please. Please. It's okay. Let's go. Please get out of here, please. Please.
Baby!
These are the ladies I've been waiting for. I could smell sexiness from up there. Come here. This is the life. One second. Hey, what are you two still doing here? Wait, are you two still here? What are you doing here? Will you leave? You know, ladies, let's just ignore, okay? Straight to my room. Get out. I wish I played over there.
They are the cheap clothes. Just look at them. Look at their hair. Look at their clothes, some cheap Abba clothes.
I just feel like killing someone right now.
They are not even smelling good, cheap cologne. And they're even short.
Love, just calm down, okay? I find it. Just calm down.
Those kids are just dirty. So why would they be calling me slow? Why would they be calling me a bitch? They're
Babe, just... Babe, please.
What's the lot?
You, babe.
You, dating girl. You fine boy with dating girls, Nama.
Just.
CEO, Empire Estate. My name is Barrister Mrs. Aisha. Come in peace.
Yeah, I knew I recognized you. I know who you are. You were that human rights activist. Yeah, that's who you are. On TV, criticizing the government, just blabbing on, saying a lot of bollocks all over the place. I know you. And there is no way you can come here with these gentlemen and come in peace. Is there a problem?
Okay. Now that you know what you know, how do you want it? In peace or in pieces? Do you know what? I can actually tear you apart now. I'm ready to fight you. However you want it, wherever you want it. In media houses, they will soon be here, so...
Young man, stop exchanging words with us. Officer, arrest him!
And then we can discuss this inside quiet. Hey, don't touch me. If you touch me again, I'll bet on your career. Both of you will look unidentical.
It's not possible. How could you rape a girl? Got her pregnant, abandon her. For what? Do you know what? You're heartless. With the money you think you have, I'll mess you up. Take this fool out of here.
So you think we are here to exchange words with you? Now move it! There's nothing to settle
Hold
here.
on, don't touch
move!
me.
Move it!
Don't! Hold on! Hold on!
Can you move? Move!
Thank you, Barrister. Thank you very much. I just want to assure you that I will abide by this arrangement. Everything should be fine. In fact, please forgive me for all the trauma. I'm so sorry.
I'm not interested in all this your baby things. I'm sorry, forgive me about that. And you think I'm even interested in your money? I don't even have money compared to my parents. My parents are very, very rich. If not for one thing, I would just get rid of this pregnancy and deal with you my own way.
I'm sorry. Let's move forward.
Oh, so you can beg now, B? After all the pains and humiliation you created on her. I'm sorry.
Take her home. Give her whatever she wants. However she wants it. Understand? Without any question. Should anything happen to my girl or her pregnancy, I'll bring her to you. You do not present her. Meanwhile, have you paid the 5 million?
Yes, I paid. Can you check the account, please?
Barrister, please. I don't need the money. I'm not a hungry girl.
Sweetheart, you need the money. For the wahala you're speaking true. When your students have sex, I would advise you to prostitute the joint. Pay as you go or whatever. Not raping an innocent girl just because you think you can.
I mean, because someone like you should know how to ask a woman out first before having sex with her. I mean, what is sex? Okay, you are very lucky that I'm not the one. Because me, I be proper Ijebu girl. I will put time for your body, woto. Not they look
It's okay. Can we let peace?
It's okay.
Yes. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, take her home.
Meet me downstairs.
Meet you downstairs. Barrister, look at him.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, can we go? I'm ready to go. Can we go?
Your hand.
Oga, hold her hand.
Barrister.
Do it.
Alright, open the door.
Don't drag me.
What is it feeling like? Barrister, thank you so much. I love you. Bye, me.
Well, you're very much welcome. This is my house. Whatever you need, you can use and have. I just want you to feel comfortable, feel at home, okay? Feel free to ask me for whatever you want. I am here for you, alright?
I don't need anything. I am fine. All I just need is peace, rest. Because it's been hell on earth for me.
That's okay.
She'll be fine. All she needs is to rest. Like she needs a whole lot of it because it's been crazy.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to take your box to the room. Whichever room you find the box in, that will be your room, okay? And I'll take a shower, freshen up, come down, I'll go to the eatery, get you some food, stuff up the fridge, just to make sure you're comfortable and you have everything you need, just in case.
Are you for real?
Yep, I'm for real.
Why are you being nice? Is it because of the agreement you signed with my lawyer? Because I don't get it. Well, I am not going to stay in this same house with you. I'm not interested. Anita, please, call my lawyer. I need to rent my own apartment so I can have some peace, okay?
I'm just a nice guy.
I beg, it's okay. It'll be cool. It's a nice day.
Why is it being nice? Gina, please, can you speak with my lawyer to get my own apartment?
I need to leave alone and be in peace.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? But you have to be here for now, okay? We'll sort everything out later. Calm down. Okay. What is it?
I'm not comfortable.
I know. Just be calm. And listen, do not trust this guy. Okay? Don't trust him. You have to be very, very careful. As in, very, very careful. Whenever you want to eat, go into the kitchen and make whatever you want to eat by yourself and for yourself. Okay? I'll be rushing to the market now to stock up the house for you. I'll be back. Just be fine.
It's okay. I know he's not going to try that shit with me. But then, I still need to be careful.
And who says so? Girl, trust not your own skin. Okay? Because it will peel you off. Good.
It would have been totally outrageous. I'm glad she just moved into the guest room and not into my room. Hey, how can I deal with this? My privacy is being invaded. I feel like I'm in a jailhouse and nobody's seeing it. Chike, I cannot live with a woman for 2 days. Now I have to deal with one for 1 month? I'm going crazy. You guys are trying to kill me.
It's over. You have to accept this. Or you want that radical lawyer to tarnish your image? Listen, you will lose and lose everything. You better calm down. Stay with her. She's beautiful. Finer than all those cheap girls. She's even industrial and cool-headed. See, stay with her so that peace will reign.
I know what I'll do. I'm just gonna move into the company's premises. That's what I'll do. Just move out. How can this lady call me every 3 hours to find out where I am? Wants me home by 8 p.m. This is me home by 8 p.m.? Are you guys trying to make me go nuts? I cannot live with a pregnant woman. No, cannot.
What we should be talking now is how to meet her parents. Better put your ass together. She's carrying your child.
There you go again. Talking about she's carrying your child. I mean, to hell with that. What? What shows that child is even mine? What shows? Nothing. Look, you cannot trust anyone with your blood nowadays. I'm telling you. Women can be, in fact, women are dangerous.
Isoba, if you're trying to do something stupid, count me out. Because I will be the first to go back to that lawyer and bail myself off your shit.
I am not trying to do anything stupid, okay? I'm not a small boy. Like you said, it is my shit. So I will deal with it. I'm paying for the consequences. I'm just trying to tighten things up. That's all I'm trying to do.
Whatever you do today echoes in eternity. Whatever you do to that woman and her child will affect you tomorrow. And I might not be there to shoulder you.
I beg. Die that just, I beg. Die, I'll kill him. Waiting. What now? Am I a small boy? I beg. I cannot stay with a lady and we don't have fun. That's impossible. Nobody cages me. Nobody can cage Prince Isoba. Okay?
Don't say I didn't warn you. Do not say I didn't warn you. Prince Isoba. Remember I told you.
Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. the world. Either you're in or out, there is no in between you and them. Take the bull by its horn. You must walk under, don't be carried away. Use your skills very well. When you walk or you eat, everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice, make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice, make your choice. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice, make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Remember, only the end you go, just fight is miss you. One name came on. The world have ears. No one can eat crop without attention of other people. One name more. Tread with caution. That's road that seems right to you. The end is destruction. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice, make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your...
Babe, she almost cut off my neck, and you want me to go back there? No way. I am not going anywhere. Isabel needs to take care of that rubbish first. Besides, I'm not taking his calls again.
Don't worry. I will arrange that one. Right now, there's no money in this house. Both of us are broke. We can't afford to lose Isoba. She's after his pocket. So are we. Anyway, he called. And I told him we will come see him tonight.
You did what?
I told him we will come see him tonight.
I am not going anywhere.
Eh? See you. You get money. You don't even eat his money. Food in this house.
That witch is there.
And I've told you I will arrange her. Drinks, empty bottles, the floor. What's all this? Why is everyone smelling alcohol? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why are you forcing yourself on a guy who doesn't give a damn about you? Instead of you to hiding the pregnancy. He has paid you serious money, yet you don't want to leave. You are not needed here. Ezoba is ours forever, and nothing can take him away from us. So get out of this house!
Damn.
You know what? We don't need any pregnant housemaid. What's that smell? Jeez. This is so disgusting. What kind of cologne are you wearing? Is the cologne for lizard? Even my pet at home can never use such perfume. And I bet you are not in any way referring to me. I guess you were talking to this iron sponge you put on as a wig. Out. You know the fear face? Or you want to make I redesign your face? Eh? Wait. Tout. Are you the drag man with tout? Then what do you come be? I can't breathe well. I can't breathe well. Do you know what? I don't blame you. I blame your poor parents for giving birth and raising a twat, a nincompoop like you. Thank you. At least my parents are poor. Hmm? Yours are rich, Abby. Then why are you dragging a man with a poor girl? Eh? Damn. Oh. That's iron sponge. Please don't scratch my skin. Thank you.
Consequence there, everything there for this man. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this man. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Remember, only the end you go just fight is miss you. One name came on. The wall have ears. No one can eat crop without attention.
This is not going to happen again, okay? It's just that it's so difficult to be here and not have a get together. I work so hard and I equally party so hard. I mean, that's my life. But it's not going to happen again. I'm so sorry.
I'm not stopping you from having a get together. I'm not stopping you from enjoying your life. I mean, don't you think this is going to make you up? When exactly are we going to see my father?
Look, I'm currently doing a project. It should be done in about 2 weeks. And then we'll go to Owerri and see your father. Okay?
Who is from Owerri? I'm from Anambra State.
Okay, sorry about that. Where in Anambra?
Onitsha to be precise.
Oh, okay. I'm from Oba. Yeah, so that's fine. We'll go and see him. Listen, I was thinking, can I get you a job? Like a good job, something that pays well? Can you work? Do you know how to work?
I school and work. Yes, I'm almost done with school. And I'm into forest too. You see? I'm not one of those Abuja cheap girls you think I am.
Yeah, you don't need to rub it in.
I should let you know.
Everything there for this man. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this man. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this man. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Money rules the world. Either you're in or out. must walk on that. Don't be carried away. Use your skills very well. When you walk or you eat, everything there for this world, good and bad in there. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this world, good and bad in there. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this world, good and bad in there. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Remember, only the end you go, just fight is miss yo. One name came on. The world have ears. No one can eat crop without attention of other people. One name more. Tread with caution. That road that seems right to you. The end is destruction. Everything there for this world, good and bad in there. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray.
Now, get it. Move! 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 I said move! Fucking play your move. Okay, move. It's my turn now. Right? Neva. For everything and you. No. For everything you've all done to me.
Please.
You molested me. You raped me. You poisoned me. You dealt with me. Now it's my turn. You have it. Now move. Fucking move! Idiot! Lying bastard, son of a bitch!
Well, stop the interruption, okay? Why are you interrupting me? When you were speaking, I did not talk. Can you let me talk?
It's me again!
Will you shut up and let me talk?
Shut me up! If you like this now, break for you!
Let me talk!
It's okay! Allow him to state his own side of the story. Allow him.
Good. Your Majesty, with all due respect, I mean, this is so very disrespectful.
It's okay.
She spoke, I didn't say a word. Can I just say my own narration?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Jeez. So this is what happened. My friends and I, we ordered drinks. We went to the lounge.
My friends and I were in the club and we ordered some drinks, and these Abuja club girls all rushed to our corner. We had some time sharpening drinks and had some lap dance from some of them because we were already tipsy. Some of them were drunk already, and we all had a happy ending. Well, she and her friends were all over me because I made it rain that night in the club. They even fought with themselves, you know, who would live with me that night. It was crazy. I was high already. I can't remember sleeping with her, but she was all over me. I never saw cheap girls like that. And after some months, she came to my house with some ugly fat girl that I, Prince Ezoba, with her, and she's carrying my baby. What a cheap blackmail. Of course, I worked them out because I knew it was a setup. Everybody in Abuja knows I work hard and I club well to enjoy my life, but for some cheap blackmail, next time she busted my house with a stupid lawyer, some hungry looking cheap creatures with guns to arrest me. Of course I was scared. A lot of dirty shit happens in Abuja. Anybody can frame you up for money. Well, they forced me to sign some stupid agreement with a gun on my head. I paid over 15 million for that. A few days after that, I was driving out with my cousin. She blocked my car with her court girls. Pulled us out of my car. Your Highness, you needed to see these girls. Their eyes were red. They were high on drugs. Cheap drugs. Our lives were in danger.
Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this world. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this world. Good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Join the game. Rule your world. But no betray. Consequence there. Money rules the world. Either you're in or out. There is no in between you and them. Take the bull by its horn. You must walk under. Don't be carried away. Use your skills very well.
That's all they do all day. Smoke Indian hemp, drinking, molesting themselves. They're all lesbians in there. It's ridiculous.
Even Mary has joined them.
Exactly. And you guys want me to take this shit and be with her? No, it's not gonna happen. Are you guys trying to kill me? You want me dead? Why? The only reason I'm tolerating this is because I'm trying to recover. Otherwise, I won't take this. Look, I have a surname and a name. I am Prince Austin Ezoba, and I will not live with this.
See, Ezoba, you will not do anything that will put us in another trouble. We'll look for a way and negotiate with the Fatu. This got to stop. Don't worry. I will talk to her personally.
And you guys want me to live with her? You don't need to negotiate anything with her. For what reason? Somebody who smokes and drinks? Does she not know that she's pregnant? You guys trying to make me go insane? Look, the general can do whatever he freaking wants to do. I don't care anymore. Whatever it is, I don't care. He should do it. But I'm not going to live with this. I'm not going to marry her for no, it's not possible. If they say I am responsible for the pregnancy, I will take it. But rape, I did not rape her. It was consensual act. She agreed. We're two adults. We did it because she agreed to it. It was a mutual understanding. I mean, if she says I'm the father of the child, I mean, I can take that. Only if they will do a DNA test afterwards. I take responsibility of that child and train my child the way I want. But until then, I'm on the sideline.
See, it's over. Don't do anything stupid. I know the sound of that. That sound, when you start sounding like this, I know what it will come out. Please, don't do anything stupid.
For this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world. No betray, consequence there. Join the game, rule your world. No betray, consequence there. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world. No betray, consequence there. Join the game, rule your world. No betray, consequence there. Money, money rules the world. Either you're in or out. There is no in between one number. Take the book by its horn. You must walk on that. Don't be carried away. Use your skills very well. When you walk or you eat up. Everything there for this world, good and bad today. Make you pick your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your.
What is happening here? This is supposed to be my wedding. I should be happy. In fact, I've not seen you for the past 5 years. I don't even know what you've been up to. And now you are here to scatter my dreams, to ruin my marriage. What is wrong with you? You are my twin sister. Are you believing this? This man of the bitch over your sister? You don't know what this man did to me. This man ruined my life. He destroyed my life. Now he is here to destroy your house. I will let that happen. I will let that happen. And so what? I don't care. Go back to the hole you came up from. I am disappointed.
No, another point na balance here. What is the problem?
You know something? Both of you are stupid. I'm not sure you are my kids. He said this room no more. Kai, did you drink Ogogoro? Yes, Zuzu. So you're gonna go for nothing. I don't want to see you downstairs here. The air's over. So, after destroying my daughter Ifat, you now want to come and test Hikocha even killing me. Eh? The one it finish Ifat is not enough. I want to put her final. You know something? I want you to get out of this place. Go and get your parents. This wedding is not going to hold until I find out the truth. And you came. You did the You came. You go and tell the priest that the wedding is suspended. In fact, the wedding is cancelled, not suspended. I cannot stand here and watch you destroy my children. I want to see your parents. You're a very wicked man. Look at you. At your age, you are still looking for a wife to marry. Na chaka ife arụ n'ọkụ. Ulu ntutu ka ndị ara abụ gbara ọsọ. Ozumbu.
Please.
Please.
There is still way
No.
to solve this problem.
No, there's no way.
It's over. How dare you trick my sister like that? And you are here to marry frankly? I'm so disappointed at you.
There's only one thing holding me right now. If not because...
Not what? If not what? Rapist. A beast like yourself. Walking around in human skin. Try any bullshit and I'll bury you alive.
What is going on here? Why are you creating scene here? You should behave yourselves. You want to create another scene here? Young man, go and call your parents for to prove yourself innocent. Then you go and call the priest.
I no go agree. Waiting be the casual. Organiness. Eja bole polo na nyuku. One number is one day. If you fight and kill each other, enough wala.
Being my sister does not give you the yardstick to come here and ruin my life. You've been away for 4-5 years. To God knows where. And suddenly you came back here to ruin my happiness, to spoil my joy. I mean, what for? Why? But you know what? I will not allow it to happen. So you better crawl back to that hole you came from and hide your face in shame. It is quite unfortunate that you're beginning to reason with your nose. You're beginning to think through your nose. If not that you were my sister, I would have baptized you both with acid, and you know how it feels to be raped severally and have your womb destroyed. You know what? This jealousy didn't just start today. It has been there when we were little. You've always been jealous of me. But you know what? Do your worst. Really? I will spit on your grave. Really? Do you know what? I kind of have pity for you. I pity your miserable soul because you are about to crush yourself with that stupid relationship of yours. You feel you can challenge me now, right? You now feel you can challenge me. Do not take my quietness as foolishness. But you know what? This wedding will hold, and there's nothing you can do about it. Don't make me hate you like I care. Look at jealousy spilling all over you. Okay. Since you have joined yourself with my enemy, watch your back. I am the princess of this kingdom. No one challenges my authority. No one tampers with me and goes scot-free. Misery will overwhelm you and your bastard unborn children.
I will not only dig your grave, I will show you the reason blood runs through my vein. What goes around comes around. You just priced your death.
Her womb has been damaged. And she sworn that over her dead body will they marry her sister. And the king got angry. Even the prince got angry that he wanted to kill Ezoba immediately. Hell was let loose. And the wedding was cancelled. Now, they brought me in. It was humanly impossible to convince the family. The other daughter, eventually, was heartbroken because they cancelled the wedding.
Father, this is actually deep. So what should she do? Because she can no longer conceive. Her womb has been damaged. Father, you see what I'm talking about? This is pure wickedness. Father, this is wickedness. This is wickedness.
Yeah, the young man didn't do well. That's why the king cancelled the wedding and was ready to eliminate the young man because no one plays with his daughter and still remain the same. Well, after the king and his daughter traveled to find the solution, the princess and her mother came to me. They brought me in for solution also. But it was an impossible mission.
Did you just call my son a rapist? Obi Kaleka, this song you are playing, we won't be able to dance it. You know a man cannot kill a madman that is older than him. Will they expect me to respond to your allegation until I hear from my son? Did you rape her?
Answer your father.
Can you calm down? Calm down, I'll explain. Explain what? That you raped the twin sister of your fiancé?
Hey, Aro.
Ezoba. We are going there tomorrow morning. What betide you if you are guilty?
Hey, abomination.
I'm sorry, Lord. I know that what my son did is wrong. It's abominable. But I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. Forgive him. It's unfortunate that your husband is not around. I want you to meet him so that we can settle this thing amicably. Please, I'm begging you. Tamper justice with mercy. Oh, here comes his best friend.
You see, I know what my friend did was not the best. I tried to warn him. But the old Ezoba never wanted her in his house. He never wanted a child outside wedlock. So, he poisoned the drink so she can lose the child.
Really?
without considering what it might cost all of us. Life is bigger than any of us. He used that his left leg to come back to marry thinking. For what?
Where is that bastard son of mine? Where is he?
His phones are switched off. But Ezoba has changed. This is not the Ezoba of...
Shut your mouth, stop patronizing him. Stop patronizing us. He cannot run away from anyone. He can't run from the law. Or my husband. Thank God that my husband is not around. Like I said earlier.
Well, it's not 100% his fault. But we can try and make peace for the sake of Ifenkili.
Don't tell me those your useless talk. Don't! I don't want to hear it. Like I said, thank God that my husband is not around. Now both of you should leave my presence.
Lolo.
Get out!
The news in the palace now is that Prince Ezoba 4 years ago raped Princess Ifatu, got her pregnant, and has refused to accept the pregnancy. He was arrested. Yes, he was arrested and he was forced to pay her 5 million naira. Do you know what again? He was also forced to live with her in the house or else he will go to jail.
Where did you hear that story from? Where? Village people. Cho. What is the meaning of all this? Where do you even get this kind of story from? All I know is that they are getting married in 2 weeks' time and that is it. Stop all this your gossiping up and down. What is it?
See me see trouble. Jealous. Why should I be jealous? Jealous after 4 years saga. The prince came back to marry Princess Ifenkili. And he was so shocked to know that Ifenkili is his twin sister. But guess what? Princess vowed over her dead body with the prince marry her. And as it stands now, I heard that the wedding has been cancelled. Yes, it has been cancelled. Because Ifatu's womb is damaged.
Wait. Is that why our king traveled with Princess Ifatu? Because of the womb? Hey, this is getting interesting.
Maybe they went to seek for solutions.
Please, let's not discuss this here. Bikono.
I beg, please, don't involve me. I didn't tell you anything. What is this
one? You told me something.
I didn't tell you anything.
Sis, I heard that Dad is taking you abroad for treatment to find solution to your problem.
You already know. And we'll be gone for a long time. So you are not free to do whatever you want. I am not gonna get on your way ever again.
You should know that most things I said were not actually from my heart. No hard feelings.
I have come to know that white teeth is not white heart. Please, stay away from me. Consider me as your black enemy.
With the view from your case, I guess you want to go home. Please, can you let go?
No, I can't face that. Besides, I didn't plan for the wedding. Instead of messing myself up, it's what I will.
Please, I don't want you to go. You can actually stay back and support Ifatu on her wedding.
I'm just going to do it. I'm staying for the wedding and the
Listen, I don't want you to go. You can actually stay. Forget about the part. Let's start the new page, you and all. Can you please stay back? Yeah.
I still love you. You're my sister.
I love you too. You are my sister. Stop crying.
You're the one crying first. So. Please.
I want to promise you something. Nothing on earth, nothing in this life is going to destroy the sisterhood we share. You are my sister forever. No man is going to separate us.
No one can come between us.
I love you.
I love you, my sister.
I'm sorry.
Father. Yes, hello, Your Majesty. Yes, sir. Please, I have been trying to reach Ezoba, but his line is not connecting. Please, Your Majesty, just tell him that I will die if I don't see him. Please, Your Majesty, just talk to him. I don't know, I can't connect him. Yes, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty. Mother has taken him back to London for solution. Why I languish here in heartbreak? What is my offense? Is he my real father? Why is it that each time Ifat comes back here, I'm always in tears? Just because we are twin sisters.
Strong women don't live by emotions. They live by revelations. I brought you in a Christian way. But look at the shame and disgrace you are bringing into this family. Your sister's womb has been damaged by so-called husband-to-be. And you want us to sit, watch, and allow you to marry that rapist. Who does that?
Mother, we don't even know the truth. Ifat could be lying, you know. See, Ifat has not been in this palace for the past 4 years. I cannot vouch for her. I can only vouch for Ezoba. Mother, if you do not allow me to marry Ezoba, be ready to bury me. What if I actually matter to you and father?
What is wrong with this girl? What is wrong with this girl?
Enough! Stop it! What is happening here? This is supposed to be my wedding. I should be happy. In fact, I've not seen you for the past 5 years. I don't even know what you've been up to. And now you are here to scatter my dreams, to ruin my marriage. What is wrong with you? Ifekili, you are my twin sister. Are you believing this? This lying son of the bitch over your sister? You don't know what this man did to me. This man ruined my life. He destroyed my life. Now he is here to destroy yours. I will let that happen. I will let that happen. And so what? I don't care. Go back to the hole you came up from.
disappointed. No, another one na balance here. What is the problem?
You know something? Both of you are stupid. I'm not sure you are my kids. He said this room no more. Kai, did you drink ogogoro? Yes, Susun. So you're gonna go for nothing. I don't want to see you downstairs here again. Beer's over. So, after destroying my daughter Ifat, you now want to come and test Kikocha even killing one. Eh? The one you finish Ifat is not enough. I want to Kocha final. You know something? I want you to get out of this place. Go and get your parents. This wedding is not going to go until I find out the truth. And you can. You refer to Abana. You can. You go and tell the priest that the wedding is suspended. In fact, the wedding is cancelled, not suspended. I cannot stand here and watch you destroy my children. I want to see your parents. You're a very wicked man. Look at you. At your age, you are still looking for a wife to marry. Na chaka ife arụ n'ọkụ. Pulu ntutu ka ndị ara abụgbala ọsọ. Ozumbu.
Please. There are still ways
No.
What gave you the right to slap my sister? You even locked up her apartment. Where do you want her to go? You even froze her account. Who gave you such right?
Listen, you. If you go on further, I'll end up slapping you twice what I did to you.
Eh? You dare not. You need to leave also. If you try to abandon this palace. Look at this one. Her mom, you even supporting him.
It's not that I'm supporting him. That is exactly what we are saying before you came in.
Father is here.
What is going on here?
Father, it's not Ikem. Eh? This palace reborn if Ikem does not curtail his excesses. How could he lock up my sister's apartment? And even froze her account for that matter? Eh?
Eventually, you see, there's an adage in my place that you don't open the stomach of the tiger or the lion in public. No. You're bringing the wrong person. But now you want me to open the stomach of the tiger, I will do so. I froze the account because your sister was bringing disgrace to this kingdom. And I won't watch the name, good name I made over the years to be thrown into the waves, to the gutters. No.
Now, Father, she's gone. And she has vowed not to step her foot in this palace again. Oh yes, since you prefer outsiders' gossip to your daughter's happiness.
You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid. How dare you? How dare you? Don't think because the river is quiet that there are no crocodiles. No. Don't push me to do something that you will not like me to do. Now get out of here.
Oh.
Ifato! Ifankiri!
No, that's fine. Come on, Mom. It's not your fault. It's not. And I left. She left without letting me know. And why should you lay your hands on her? You don't have that right. Your mother is spiritual. You don't. Sorry. I think you should be.
wrong with this girl? Are you okay? Sister, Ifenkili is threatening to kill herself. Yes, if you do not allow her to marry Ezoba, what do I do? The devil is actually after my family. He wants to reap where you do not sow. What do I do?
Where is Ifenkili? Is she okay? I know physically she's not okay, and mentally she's devastated.
Igwe has taken Ifa to London. They left here yesterday with the prince. And I am sure, if it is not positive, the head of Ezoba will not remain on his shoulder. Huh? I fear for Ifenkili because she feels that we are not truly her two parents.
There must be a reason why she's deeply in love with Ezoba.
What stupid, dirty love? Huh? Her sister's womb is damaged. Igwe will not allow her to marry that rapist. And you know your brother. He will never allow that to happen. You better go and talk to her. Because your brother will not allow her to marry that rapist.
My queen is okay.
What's all this?
It's okay, ma, please. It's okay, my queen. It's okay, just calm down.
There's so much pressure in this balance. I'm leaving this place for
Your Majesty, you have to come and see my people. If I don't marry Ezoba, it will be a sad one for me, Your Majesty.
Ifenkili, my daughter. I don't know how to say this to you, but I can't come and see your people. Your man Ezoba is nowhere to be found. Listen, I can't support a son who has bring shame to me. Yes, I have disowned Ezoba. Nobody knows his whereabouts. Listen, I trained Ezoba in Catholic way, not as a rapist. Young lady, I will advise you to look for a decent young man that you will marry, not a rapist who defied your sister.
Your Majesty, why do you choose to side my sister? Eh? Someone who has disappeared for 4 years. We don't even know the kind of life she has lived. It's a sad thing that you don't even know your son. It's so sad. Because he's innocent. And it's because you do not believe him. That's why he has gone dark on everybody. The shame is too much. But I, Ifenkili, will not rest until I see him and marry him. And there's nothing anybody could do about it.
Ifenkili, if my son Ezoba is innocent, let him come and tell me that he's innocent. Listen, young lady, let me tell you something. What I sit down see is, if you climb the tallest building, you can't see it. Listen, I know your parents cannot support you on this, and you cannot stand your father's heat when it comes. Okay? Just take things easy.
There's so much pressure in this balance. I'm leaving this place for
I've been trying to call Ezoba. His line is not connecting. I've been like, I don't even know how to reach him or where to find him. Please, do you know where he is? Have you seen him?
I don't know his whereabouts. I've been trying to contact him too. I don't know. I don't know where he is.
Oh, yeah. Okay, if you see him, just tell him that I miss him so much. You know, I'm still with one of his kidney. I'm still carrying his kidney. Also tell him I'm pregnant, please. Just tell him I miss him. I love him. He's my life. He's my destiny. He's everything. Just tell him everything.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll keep that in mind when anytime I see him. I don't know. I've not seen him. But anytime I see him, okay, I'll keep that in mind. Okay?
He's my everything. He's my everything.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Just remind him he's my everything.
I know. Relax.
nothing is hidden under the sun. under the sun. There's so much pressure in these parlors. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign. Always fighting every time is battle. What are you fighting for? What are you fighting for? It seems
I have listened to all of this, but man, look out for me. In fact, you said you have something to tell us.
My friend Gina is here to tell the whole story.
This is what happened.
It is happening.
We're here to rip him off. We're here to tear him apart. I cannot wait to see his pretty ugly face. Fool! Where is Princess Neva? Where is she? She's sweet. Let's give him blood.
Just get up and leave this place this minute. Just get up and delete your useless self from this palace!
What? Honey, what's going on? Do you know my sister? Have you met her before?
No. I don't freaking know her. Do you know me? No, I don't know. I've never met her before.
You don't know me? No, I don't. You don't freaking know me!
No, I don't freaking know
I say you don't know me? Oh, really? Sis, is this supposed to be your husband? This man can never get married to you. He is a monster. He is a beast. Are you jealous of me or what? I have no reason to be jealous of you. You don't know this man too well. Please just get up and leave this place.
He's not going anywhere. What is going on here?
Yes, he's going nowhere. Dad, Mom, why are you both quiet? Why is she embarrassing my fiance like that?
Yeah? Hey! In fact, is something wrong with your brain? Are you nuts? You don't have any respect for me? Not only that I'm your father, I'm the eagle of this kingdom. I have the effrontery to ask my visitor to leave. Mba, something is wrong with you. Definitely something is wrong with you. Don't let me lay a curse on you.
I'm taking to work. Over my dead body will not see that happen. I know how you plan to kill her with your best friend. If she was a sister, would you do that to her? No. Do you know what you are? You are a devil. You are evil and a virus. That's exactly what you are.
Hey!
I used to see you it's very good. Huh?
You mean you did all this to my sister? Talk to me! You mean you did all this to my sister? Remember I told you that what goes around goes around. And it's back to choke you to death. You will die! Beast! Monster! Rapist! That is what you are! Mother! So I told you, alright? No, the truth is here.
You're a dog and you deserve to be castrated.
Hey!
You see, Ephraim, okay, and I push you to this boy. And when you come on
When you see a cat and rat becoming too close, there's a common enemy. And I told you the other time, before you insult the river, make sure you have crossed the bridge. You know something? Get out of this place.
Get out!
Can you people allow me? I said, get out of here. The wedding is cancelled.
Go!
Your father gave you the best life and education. And what do you pay in return? Disunity. What is your problem? I am sorry, mother. I said shut up, you! My dead body will be my sister. This is not possible. He can never marry my sister. I'm going to kill you. You can never marry my sister. You are beast, you are a monster.
Your Majesty, I am so embarrassed at this. Forgive me. And I will ask to leave your presence. I don't want any trouble.
You can't go, honey. You can't go. This is my father's palace. She has no right to throw you out.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, you can't leave. Dad, honey, see what has cost. Honey, please come back.
It seems everything is turning against me.
I'm jealous of you. Because I'm getting married before you. See, I have no reason to be jealous of you. You can go ahead and marry every other man, but you see this monster here, he can never marry you. Never! It will never work! He's a rapist. Because after all you did to me, this man right here got me pregnant. He raped me. What? He molested me, got me pregnant, he harassed me and abandoned me. And you're here to marry my sister. Or say she will never be well with you.
I told you I don't want to be here. I can't face this here. Just look at him. Look at you. Good day. Let's go.
This one you're looking like this, what's going on?
No, a lot is going on in this palace. A lot is happening and it's driving me crazy.
What is it? Tell me about it.
It's not my sister. She's out to ruin my life. She's out to destroy me, to ruin my relationship with Ezoba. And the worst part of it is that everybody's supporting her.
What's Ezoba saying about it? Even his family, what are they doing?
You already know that everyone is scared of my dad, and he's wrong. But the worst part of it is that Ezoba is even nowhere to be seen. I've not seen him. I've not heard from him.
Have you gone to the palace?
I've gone there. I've been there. He's not there. No one seems to know where he is. It seems as if he just disappeared. He's MIA, like incommunicado, like I can't even reach him.
This is serious. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. He will definitely turn up. Please, just calm down.
I'm just tired. I'm tired.
God, just help me.
I'm deeply in love with you, my baby. Allow me to follow.
Ifenkili. I beg a man. Ifenkili. Ifenkili. Did you answer?
Good afternoon. Thank you. How are you? Your mother said you are threatening to kill yourself if you don't marry Ezoba. Why?
Father, Ezoba is my destiny. And no one will stop my relationship with him. Not even my sister Ifato. And if my mother wants to end my relationship with Ezoba, I will end my life.
Shut up! Shut your mouth. You will kill yourself because of a man. What is even wrong with you and your sister? Your sister's womb is affected, so you want to marry the same man? What is wrong with you? This madness, it has to stop. It has to stop. Guess you have forgotten the parents you have. Eh? You don't even have pity for your sister. Not even a single brother. If I kill it, this has to stop.
Mother, it's obvious people don't even care about my happiness. You would have asked to see the reason why I want to die with Ezoba before crucifying him.
It's okay. Let us hear from her. Thank you. Tell us.
Thank you, Father. Mother, during my youth service, I fell sick. I mean terribly sick. I was rushed to the hospital. Unfortunately, the doctor diagnosed that one of my kidneys was bad. What? And I needed a transplant. I didn't know what to do. I was shattered. I couldn't call you because I know you will call Father. And considering his health, I didn't want to burden my problems onto you people. And if Fatu is even nowhere to be found. So I was just devastated there in the hospital. But fortunately, Ezoba came. God just sent him to me. He inquired what the problem was and the doctor told him I needed a transplant. He volunteered himself to give me his kidney, Mother. Yes. And he did so. I'm living with his kidney right now, one of his kidneys.
You're still here. I took your notes.
From the results of the test, you are going down and needed urgent attention. Except you want to.
I'm trying to reach my people. You know, I can't talk to my father because of his health condition. And my mom traveled out of the country. It's my brother I'm trying to reach, but I can't. I don't know why this thing came at this point. Oh God, this is bad news for me.
You know, in this country, we don't like going for checkup, except the condition becomes critical. But regular checkup can avoid some trouble for us. Your situation is critical and needs urgent attention, except you want...
Doctor.
Yes, Mrs. Zoro. You are not needed yet.
Hey, is this not the lady we spoke about the last time that needs the kidney transplant?
Yes, she's the one.
Look, I'm here to assist. Doctor, please, I've decided, I've settled with myself that I will donate my kidney. Look, I've been told I'm not going to live. I will die soon. But before I die, I want to do something good. I want to save a life. So don't worry. Perhaps I will be that thief on the cross that Jesus will accept in paradise. So I'm willing to give you my kidney. Okay? Don't worry, everything's gonna be fine.
Who are you, please?
Yes, doctor.
Please, who are you?
Don't worry about it. Okay? I'm a donor. That's what is important.
Okay.
Can we go, doctor?
Just bring them in. Let's go.
What's your name?
I'm eventually. Yes.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
Just wipe your tears. Put a smile on your face, okay?
Thank you. Oh God, I can't believe this. Thank you, sir. I don't know.
Oh, you had a surgery and you hid it from us. Can you people imagine this girl? Are you my child or a stranger? You and your sister want to kill us in this family. You want to cause high BP for each and every one of us in this family. Is it not? Thank God the surgery was successful. The devil would have mocked us.
Exactly.
Hey!
Eventually, to your sister, Ezoba is evil. To you, Ezoba is your savior. I pray God will have mercy on your sister so that she will be healed.
Amen. Amen.
Your Majesty,
Father,
shield yourself. I believe God has purpose for everything. If not for Ezoba, Ifenkiri wouldn't be alive today. You see?
Mother, Ezoba is the reason I am alive today. And I am pregnant for him.
Pregnant? Now I know the reason.
Every time is battle. What are you fighting for?
Lolo, Adime Gigi fella. Yes. I have not set my eyes on Ezoba for the past 80 years. And I don't know the sort of life he has been living. Your husband has the final say. Whatever he wants to do to him, he is justified. Yes. Nobody can stand and watch his daughters will be destroyed.
It's quite unfortunate. We should be celebrating their wedding. But because of their carelessness and recklessness, which brought this show of shame to us. My dear, Ifenkili is bent on marrying Ezoba. She has never been stubborn to us. For her insisting of marrying him, myself, I'm tired.
I don't know what to say. I have nothing to say about this. It beats me. Yes. Ezoba knows that I cannot support him because I don't support evil. Yes, but let us wait and see to know the outcome of your husband's trip to London. Yes.
I just pray they come back with good news. First, before Ifenkili will elope with your son, because young ones these days, they can do what one cannot imagine.
You're right.
Honestly,
let's hope for the best.
I pray we hope for the best.
Alcohol is the worst company you need right now.
This life is a misery, isn't it? I mean, we all know that. You remember her words? What goes around comes around and hangs around those that are around because this life is round.
I warned you that the seeds of yesterday goes into the future. Sinking yourself in alcohol is a symbol of weakness. Look, we don't say it's over until we win.
Oh, jeez. God doesn't consider your past to bless your future. Does he? No, he doesn't. I don't even see any future with Ifatu. It's that bad. Her parents are mad at me. Parents, family don't want to see me. My dad has vowed to disown me. Wedding is cancelled. I mean, come what may.
You see, your future is not theirs to decide, but yours. You decide to sell it out, nobody will buy it back for you. You know what to do and where to be. Get an offering. Sow a good seed on the altar of heaven. Shake the altar of heaven. Nothing is impossible.
So they later forgave Ezoba.
There's so much pressure in this palace. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign.
Yes, so I am now the daughter-in-law to Igwe Omini. Thank you, Mama. Hey, Mommy, I'll miss you. I'll miss you too. I'll miss you. I'll miss you too.
Oh.
Linda. I thank God for today. You know, you see, a man who planted a mango tree near the expressway, and the man who married a beautiful wife, they suffer unknown hardship. When the mango is ripe, people will be throwing stones at the mango. So that's what happened to your marriage. Initially, we were throwing stones at you. It's just like a man that married a beautiful wife. When she's going to market, people will throw stones. And I am happy to you have come. It shall be well with you.
He said,
It shall be well with you.
He said,
You will deliver safely.
He said,
Whatever God gives to you, you will appreciate it.
He said,
You will deliver in peace.
He said,
I won't bury you.
He said,
Whoever curses you, he will sleep before power.
He said,
I say you, so shall it be.
He said,
Obi Kareka, my son, Igwe has given his blessing, and it's time for me to bless you as a son. You know, the good book says that a man who finds a good woman finds a good thing, and he obtains favor from everywhere, not only from the gods. I bless you today.
He said,
This marriage shall be fruitful.
He said,
This marriage, nothing shall come in between.
He said,
You will live happy.
He said,
You will live happy.
He said,
Your children will train you.
He said,
As you made us happy today, so your children will make you happy.
He said,
I bless you.
He said,
May you live long.
He said,
You see, in life, when you want to jump into the river to become a fisherman, you will first consult your ancestors. Because when you dip into the river without consulting your ancestors, I think your ancestors will welcome you in their kingdom. Ah! I'm so happy.
Yes.
If your ancestors are pursuing you because of wickedness, even banana leaf, the peels, all of you will not fall down. May your ancestors not remember you. Oh!
So you have to forgive your mother-in-law.
Babe, I was thinking of running an online kitchen.
Okay.
But I just have 200,000. So I was thinking if maybe I would print few flyers, post on my social media, tag few friends, and then if anybody place an order for any meal, I'll just cook and I'll send it out via a dispatch rider instead of staying idle. What do you think?
It's a good idea. As long as it doesn't stress you. And all these useless boys now will now start calling you and now start the name of that they want to order food, they now start disturbing your line.
And this is where jealousy comes in. You know what, babe? No man will see my body except you.
No, I'm only protecting my treasure.
And I'm yours forever.
I don't want trouble. Okay.
Thank you, babe.
Good idea.
So what would you want to eat? Let me start with you.
Pap.
This is the pap.
Pap and akara.
Pap and akara.
Very simple.
You said you don't want people to stress me. You want to stress. Where should I get?
Buy akara. Okay. Don't make akara. Buy.
Okay, babe. Hello? Yes, this is Nina. 3 bowls? Yes, I can make it available. 1 bowl of vegetable, 2 bowls of ogbolo. Yes. Okay, ma. Yes, ma, I won't disappoint. Just that I need to go to the market so everything will be fresh. Just give me like 3 hours. Everything will be available. Yes, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you very much. Once the food is ready, I would call for the address. Yes, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Yes! I told my husband. Hello? Yes, I sent the dispatch rider already. You'll get it soon. Thank you, ma. Yes. Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness. Business is going fine.
Who is in this house, oh?
Who is home? Where's my son? Hey, Mama. Welcome, Mama. Good afternoon. I ask again, where is my son?
Mama, I greeted you. You didn't answer me.
I answered you now. Or are you deaf as well as Barry? Or Sima, I greeted you. Is your greeting going to change the weather of Nigeria? Eh? Where is my son?
Mama, I'm not barren. Neither am I deaf. And for your son, he went to work. But Mama, you didn't even tell us you were coming.
Hey! Nena, so I'm supposed to seek permission from you before I come to my son's house. I've always known it. You lack manners. No home training! Your mother did not train you well.
Mama, please. I beg you in God's name. I've not done anything to you. You don't have to insult me. Why are you doing this to me? Am I God that gives children? At the right time, God will give me my child.
God will give you child at the right time. Do you think that I don't know that you tied my son? 6 good years now. No child. No child. And my son is in his 40s. And you want me to keep quiet? My only son? Listen, it's either you get pregnant by fire, by force, or you leave this house.
Mama, I want you to understand something.
Educate me.
I'm not the one that gives children. Mama, at the right time, God will give me my own children. And please, Mama, I beg you, if you have been sent to me to destroy me, Mama, please, go back to them and tell them you didn't see me. Moreover, before you came in here, I am my husband. Your son have been living in peace. Mama, please.
You're a stupid girl. I said before you lack home training. Look at you, no child. You've never conceived since you entered this house. Let us say, there was a miscarriage for once. So nothing. My son is living with a man. Man married to a fellow man. Shameless idiot. Look at what she's wearing, married woman. Everything showing. You have spoiled your womb when you are a young girl. That is why you cannot produce anymore. And I want my son not to marry you from beginning, but he never listened to me. Listen, I haven't come for peace. Me, I have come for wahala. You can keep your peace. Because as long as I'm here, Nena, you must get pregnant or you leave this house. Have you heard me? You must get pregnant or you leave my son's house. See, this house will not contain both of us, so I am not going anywhere. I will stay here until you give birth or you leave this house. Useless woman. All she knows every day, chicken, talking. I know, man.
Mama, you never told us you were coming. You came unannounced. Next, started insulting my wife. You even called her a witch. Mama, why?
Nah. Is this how you welcome your mother? Is this how you welcome the woman that trained you single-handedly? When your father and his wicked family abandoned us under the weather to die, I single-handedly picked you up and raised you. And is this how you talk to me?
However I talk to you, you deserve it. You deserve even more. You came into my house unannounced. Next, you started insulting my wife. You even called her barren. Who does that? Mama, why?
Shut up! Shut your mouth. Anyway, I don't blame you. She has charmed you. She has given you, you have eaten, you have swallowed. It has saturated all your body. But don't worry. I am here to clear it off your head. 6 years. 6 good years of no child in this house. You're busy wasting your sperm. Listen, the sooner you throw away that thing you call wife, the better for you. My wife.
Mama, let me sound it. You see my wife? She's my life. And there's nothing you will do, absolutely nothing you will do to separate us. You understand? I know 6 years no child. Yes, but we are good. We are okay. You raised me to trust God. Okay? So, if you're here to cause any trouble or more trouble, I suggest you rethink. Yes, 6 years no child. We are okay. We don't have any problem. If you're here to cause more trouble, please, my door, my gate, they are open. Leave. Take your things and get out. Please.
My dear, it's like you have forgotten who your mother is. 9 months I carried you in my womb. 9 good months I gave birth to you. Now, if you think you can push me by the side just because of that thing you call your wife, you are joking. I go nowhere. If anybody is leaving this house, it's that thing you call your wife. That's witch I call your wife. She should be the one to leave, not you.
Mama, you raised me to trust God. You raised me to believe God. And there's nothing God cannot do. And you're here mocking us, mocking me, mocking my wife. Kamucha. But I have news flash for you. Like I said, my wife is my life. You're my mother. You cannot separate us. Let me tell you something. Very soon, God will shock you because my wife will give birth to twins. And when you're ready, you're in trouble. You can leave. If you want to stay here, do not fight my wife again.
Babe, in as much as your mom might have said wrong things to me, you don't have any right to raise your voice at her.
But she has no right to insult you.
I know, baby, listen. Every mother needs a grandchild. We just need to follow her up with love.
I know, but you don't know my mom. She has no right to insult you. See, my mom believes you have charmed me for like 6 years. No child. I know her very well. She's Raz if you don't check her. She's Raz. I know what she can do. Okay? See, I won't have anybody insult you and go scot-free like that. It's not possible.
Baby, listen.
You are the best gift that God gave to me.
Baby, I know you care so much about me. Yes, but I told you, no one can bring me down. No one can make me look less of myself. All we need to do is show your mom some love. Love conquers everything. Babe, listen, I have a mother and soon I'll become a mother too. Just watch me win her over with my love.
You don't know my mother. You don't know her. My mom can only smile with you when she sees you pregnant. Oh, she has the kind of a baby. I know her very well. Okay?
You know what, baby? Just relax. I don't want this whole scenario to make you feel sad. I don't need this whole scenario to steal your joy away. Listen, I need you to be happy. It shouldn't steal your joy. Remember, love conquers everything. Come here.
Okay.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. Mama, lunch is ready. Should I serve your food?
Are these my clothes?
Yes, Mama.
You washed them?
Yes, I washed them. Mama, let me serve you your food so you eat.
So you washed my clothes? Why
Yes,
didn't you
Mama.
wash all of it?
Mama, some are still outside.
No, I mean you washed these ones. Why didn't you wash my panties with them? Huh? My undies are soaked in my bathroom. Why didn't you wash them with my clothes?
Mama.
Yes?
You were sleeping. I packed all your clothes. I washed them. I want to start ironing. And you're asking me why I didn't wash your panties. I don't even wash that of my husband. Mama, please. My parents did not raise me to wash people's panties. I cannot wash it. Maybe you wash it after eating.
I said it. I said it. You were not trained well at all. They didn't train you at all. They didn't teach you anything. But that's okay. Since you were not taught at home, I'm ready to teach you here. Now, go upstairs, pack my dirty undies and wash all of them. Have you heard me?
Mama, sorry I cannot though. Every clean girl washes their panties when they are bathing. Me, I can't wash your panties. Moreover, I'm not your slave, I'm your son's wife.
But my son washes my undies for me. Yes. So why can't you do it?
Mama, please, I cannot do it.
Don't you dare walk out on me when I'm talking to you. Are you mad? Rubbish.
Mama.
Yes?
You dare not drag my hair again.
If I drag, what will you do? I not only drag your hair, I pushed you down. What will you do?
Mama, please. Tell the devil you didn't see me. Mama, you dare not try it. You dare not try it. I'm not your slave.
What is going on here? Mama? What's happening here?
Ask your mother.
If anything should happen to me, if anything should happen to me in this world, my blood will be on your head. After suffering, after selling all my wrapper to train you in the university, I come to your house only to be insulted by this thing you call life. To be insulted by this barren witch.
No. Hey. What's going on? Babe, what happened?
Your mother came into this house in anger. She accused me of bewitching her son, which is you. And yet, I cook for her. I run errands for her. I even went as far as washing her clothes. And just because I didn't wash her undies, your mother called me a barren witch. If that's not enough, she pushed me down and threatened to slap me.
Mama. Mama. Did I hear on this? Pants. Mama, did you ask me? You asked my wife to wash your pants. I don't understand.
Yeah, what is wrong with that?
As in what? Is she your slave? Oh, you even pushed her down. So they're fighting her. You know what? You leave my house now.
What?
No, you're leaving my house now.
Ah.
So these are your clothes. Go in there, pack your stuff, pack your bag, get out from my house.
I go nowhere.
My house.
I won't go anywhere.
You won't stay here. You can't stay in my house. It's not possible. No, you can't insult her now. For what? Is she your slave? As in what?
You mean this thing you're saying?
Of course. You're leaving. Go in there, move your stuff, get out.
If I leave this house, if I should leave this house, I'll make your life unbearable. I'll make your life miserable. You and this thing, poor wife.
Leave my house. Thank God you're my mother. If not, let's go. Ama, leave. Don't let me push you. Leave. We had enough. We had enough of you. Leave. Pack your stuff. I know you. Go.
Good. What have I done wrong?
No, she's going already, so it's okay.
Just tell me.
It's okay.
Where am I getting
Come.
wrong? Yes, I'm coming up already. You will see me shortly, relax. I warned you, useless barren witch. This is just the beginning. If you survive this, I'll come back. I'll make sure that I bury you. I pour sand over your grave. You think you can take my son from me? Rats.
Why will your mother hit my sister with iron? She wants her dead, right?
What if she had died during the process of the hit?
You know my mom, she's calling up at the station now. She will surely pay for that. Okay? But I need to see my wife. Her phone is off.
She's not around and she does not want to see you. Neither does she want to have anything to do with you nor any member of your family. It's unfortunate that your mother is a beast.
I need to see my wife. She's all I have. Okay? Please.
Like I said earlier, she is not here. She does not want to see you.
I mean, it's barely 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks you traveled. And your mother came to kill my sister. My only sister.
Neva, you know how much I love you, sister. And nobody, I said nobody can separate both of us. Okay? I'm not going to leave her until she comes out.
Read my lips. She is not here. Thank your stars she's still alive. Else you wouldn't have been here to tell me this rubbish.
But you know how much I love your sister. You know that very well. Nobody, even my mom can never separate us.
Like I said earlier, she is not around. Okay? And I don't even think she will ever in her entire life forgive your mother. She is evil.
Where can I see her?
I don't know. You can use the door. I saw your sister's husband. What did he go with?
He came in search of his wife. But as for his mother, he has locked her up. That beast will rot in jail.
I'm still wondering, how could a mother be so wicked? I mean, she's lucky she would have seen the other side of me. But that your sister's husband, he looks like a good guy.
I hope you are not eyeing him. He's a no-go area.
Madam, I beg you. I'm so cool with my sugar daddies.
Better. Hello there. Your husband just left now. I swear to God, your husband loves you so much. He loves you. As for that your wicked mother-in-law, she's in the cell. Yes, your husband locked her up. That beast of a woman will rot in jail. Well, you can come back to the house. He just left. Fine. I'm waiting. Okay.
Nene, you have to forgive her because of God.
Babe, in as much as your mom might have said wrong things to me, you don't have any right to raise your voice at her.
But she has no right to insult you.
I know, baby, listen. Every mother needs a grandchild. We just need to follow her up with love.
I know, but you don't know my mom. She has no right to insult you. See, my mom believes you have you charmed me for like 6 years. No child. I know her very well. She's Raz if you don't check her. She's Raz. I know what she can do. Okay? See, I won't have anybody insult you and go scot-free like that. It's not possible.
Baby, listen.
You are the best gift that God gave to me.
Baby, I know you care so much about me. Yes, but I told you, no one can bring me down. No one can make me look less of myself. All we need to do is show your mom some love. Love conquers everything. Babe, listen, I have a mother, and soon I'll become a mother too. Just watch me win her over with my love.
You don't know my mother. You don't know her. My mom can only smile with you when she sees you pregnant. Oh, she has the kind of a baby. I know her very well. Okay?
You know what, baby? Just relax. I don't want this whole scenario to make you feel sad. I don't need this whole scenario to steal your joy away. Listen, I need you to be happy. It shouldn't steal your joy. Remember, love conquers everything. Come here.
Okay.
Life is deeper than as we see. Well, she later got married to a military boy, Ido. And she was nice to Ido. Ido was also nice to her. By the grace of God, she later conceived. Ido had this terrible experience in military that made him to go closer to God and put all his faith in God.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I'm already in the palace. I'm still here. No, they've not seen me yet. They are having a meeting at the Royal Garden. Yes, Mom. It's okay, I will come see you immediately as I'm done here. Alright, Mom. Bye.
My in-law, Ido.
My king.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You see, it is 7 months since you wedded my daughter. And I made an offer to you, which I know didn't go down well. Probably because I said it in public. And I want to apologize for that now. The purpose of all this is because her twin sister just put to bed. Oh, I want my daughter to be pregnant so that I can carry her baby before joining my ancestors. I want her to be happy so she can forget her past. That's why I called you. If my asking you in public made you angry, I am sorry. Very, very sorry.
Your Highness, you don't have to be sorry. I know you want the best for us. And you want her to be happy too. I did not decline your offer out of pride. That is far from it. Your Highness, all I'm saying is, give us 1 year. Just 1 year, Your Highness. Let us bond well. Let us build our love stronger. Let us get to know each other well and better. That is all I ask, Your Highness. Let us enjoy ourselves for this 1 year. I promise you, my king, next year we will have our child, a baby girl. We will all go Thanksgiving together.
You talk as if you are from the kingdom of the gods. As if you are Chukwu Abiyama.
Your Highness, I am not God, but I'm the Son of God. And I believe in God so much. You see, God said we should believe in Him, that which our hearts desires, and give to us.
It's worrisome. Very, very worrisome, I must say. It's no more funny.
It's okay, I'll put that into consideration, Your Highness. Greetings, Father. Okay. My prince.
Hello.
The princess.
My in-law. A super one at that.
When did you return?
A few days ago, actually.
That's good. And how is my sister keeping up? She's fine, splendid. Trust me, she's very okay. Okay. Yes. I've heard your conversation with my father. As a matter of fact, if you can actually do what you said, they'll be the happiest parents on the planet. It's obvious. That's why you invited me here. Nothing you see. All I'm asking for is 1 year. This year. You know how it is. All I'm looking for is for we to bond. Let's bond for real. Let's get to know each other better. Build our love on a solid rock. You know how it is. You know what I'm talking about. Father, then let's just let them be. Just let them be. Let them bond. And trust me, they'll make you the happiest parents on the planet.
I want Ifatu's happiness. I want to carry her baby before I join my ancestors. I'm not getting younger.
Father, you are still strong. Oh.
There's so much pressure in these palace. I'm leaving this place for peace.
Auntie, please, I'm not going to accept any help from you. My husband loves me the way I am.
My husband loves me the way I am. And you believe him? If you can accept to marry me in this condition, why won't I believe him? Auntie, I told you that she will not agree to that. Okay. If they can reject that help, and I think they will accept your help, especially though, you see that man, his fate is out of here. So forget about it. In fact, a lot of men has given testimony about this hurt. And your husband actually rejected my brother's offer out of pride. They can go okay. And I told me, oh, why you? I told me now. Yeah. Already. And see, I told you not to worry yourself now. You see what you've caused. I'm only trying to help her. Auntie, please. I know what you did was out of love, but right now she has gone. Let me go after her. If I had to.
There's so much pressure in these palace.
No. Angela, you should be worried about Ikem. He's bent on marrying with that woman. One new fame man. How will the children speak Igbo? Eh? And what if they end up not coming back to the village again? What will happen? Angela, the father rejected the girl. No, they have the son already. The son? Yes. That's the more reason that he refuses to come back to Nigeria. I am so tired about the whole thing. And he even loved this girl more than the truth. Yes. The last encounter he had with his father, he said that hence he has discovered that he do not love his wife, either for him to stay abroad, because we do not care about his happiness. So I don't really know what to do, honestly.
What? Kiss now.
Tell me, we don't know what to get.
Okay, Mom.
In fact, you say you are pregnant. Hey! No. Hey! No. I can't wait. No. Sit down. Oh, sit down. I can't wait for my grandson.
Must it be a son?
Yes. Yes.
Hey! Adania! Adania, ah! It's a thing of joy that I like to witness your wedding. Now I am alive to see your proceeding tummy. Hey! Thank you, Michael. I'm so happy. Hi! Adania.
That's him.
Don't worry. I will make sure your mother will come when you put to bed.
Yes, that's sure. But Daddy, you promised me to come.
Adam, your mother will come. I will take care of the home front. When I know, if I come and start going now, you'll be the one to start crying.
I will not
and
cry.
make you feel guilty.
I'm grown now. I want you to come.
Okay, now,
Please, father. Babe, you have to come. Let's go before you miss your flight. Thank you for everything.
You're this baby.
I don't get it. I'm
Damn.
It's okay. She's my wife, I guess.
All right, father. We'll see you soon. Adam, already. I don't know about my sister. Adam, yeah. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Mogaraya.
Obina ni chado, ohun akụkọ nja akọlụ gị. Dike ka wetere nwa wetego. Ọjụ nwa were ego ma jewere onwe ya. Oruze mgbe ndị nna dị batara ojenu ma chọwa nwa. Na-ele m anya n'ihu ọnụ achị ekwe m fuhu ọkụ. Ị na-ele m anya n'ihu ihu ka ihu si atọ ma mụ. Obina ni chado, ọkwa n'ihi ọgụ ka ị na-ekwu okwu ya Ebube Dike. Mmọnwụ agbakwa.
Ogini na-afịọ. You never know the strength of a warrior until the comes to become. Oh, thank you, my ancestors. Thank you.
There's so much pressure in these balance. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign. Always fighting, every time is battle. Where do I you fighting for? What are you fighting for? It seems everything is turning against me. I'm deeply in love with you, my baby. Allow me to follow my heart. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Oh, nothing is hidden under the sun. There's so much pressure in these parlors. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign. Always fighting every time is battle. Well, what are you fighting for? What are you fighting for? It seems everything